What's up, y'all? It's your fave nail tech cousin, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Breezy. I create content to help beginners, DIYers, and experienced nail techs level up their nail game with real tips, real techniques, and real results. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve application on the duck nail shape. If you're a beginner struggling with application on duck nails, or you just want to see my process, this video is definitely for you. With that being said, let's lock in. I do have the nail tips already applied, so I'll be starting off with the last few steps of prep, giving the nails a thorough dust down, then going in with 70% alcohol to really knock all the dust off, and also alcohol acts as a natural nail dehydrator. As for dehydrator and primer, I do use the Moravan set. You can get this set from Amazon. I do have these linked in my storefront, so if you would like to try these out or make the switch, I will definitely leave that link in the description of this video for you. As you can see here, I'm gently going over the nail plate, making sure not to touch any skin or the cuticle area. That is very important when using any type of chemicals or products, but if you do manage to touch the skin, be sure to clean it off as soon as possible. If you are enjoying this video so far or have gained some takeaways at this point, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. By doing so, you are basically telling me that I am awesome, and it helps me create more videos just like this one. We are on the road to growing this nail community together. I'm so excited to be sharing my journey with you guys and also being with you during yours. I really appreciate every single one of you. Let's get back to the nails. Moving on to acrylic application, I am using Dynamic Nail Supply acrylic in the shade Cutest Pink. I'm using their monomer as well, and I'll be working with medium-sized beads. I placed the bead right where the natural nail and nail tip meet, then I held the finger down to let gravity do most of the work and drag the bead downward, not manipulating it too much to keep the shape. Make sure that you're constantly cleaning those sides as well. If you're having trouble with one side, you can feather the bead upward. That way you are gaining more control and it's lessening the product at the free edge. Going in with the cuticle bead, place it down not directly on the cuticle area, but slightly below it. This ensures that the cuticle will not be flooded with product. Gently pat the acrylic into the cuticle area, pat the sides into place, and start to gently blend that acrylic bead downward. If you're running into issues like your brush separating and sticking to the acrylic like mine was here, be sure to stop what you're doing, clean and rehydrate your acrylic brush immediately. I'm going to conclude this video here. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below what nail tutorial that you would like to see next. All products and tools that you see me use in any of my videos are linked in my Amazon storefront. I have previously or currently used everything featured to this day. If you would like to try any of these products or tools or make the switch, run to the description of this video. I will have it linked there for you so you can shop your heart away. Also, follow Breezy Acrylixx on all platforms. I am on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram, posting daily. So make sure that you're locked in. If you haven't already, make sure that you're subscribed and hit that bell so you'll never miss any time that I post. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.